And
Hello, and welcome to Agile Team and Portfolio Management in GitLab. I'm Amanda Rueda, and I'm joined by my colleague, Gabe Weaver. We are senior product managers in the plan stage at GitLab, and today we want to walk you through how GitLab can support your team and software development lifecycle. In this presentation, we'll cover the plan building blocks, how to maximize GitLab for team planning, and how to utilize GitLab for portfolio management. Gabe, do you want to kick us off?
sure, thanks, Amanda. Let's get started by talking about some of the plan building blocks. These are the foundational concepts for Agile planning in GitLab. Here are the key components of the GitLab workflow. Some of these terms may look familiar to you, and some may seem brand new. For some of the features, you may be familiar with the concept, but you may have used a tool that called it something else. So all of your issues are found in GitLab projects. A project is part of a group. A group is a collection of projects and subgroups. Groups and subgroups offer a way to organize teams and projects. The epic is a collection of issues. While an issue represents a unit of work, you can think of an epic as a larger initiative or set of business deliverables. An issue is the work item that needs to be accomplished. If you have something that needs to do, create an issue, and that issue is going to let you track and collaborate on progress for that work over time. Milestones play a central role in the planning process, serving as time boxes for larger capabilities over extended planning horizons, such as program increment or release planning. They go beyond being simple containers for work and are designed to represent specific and strategic time-based goals. When assigning your issues to milestones, epics inherit the milestone start and end dates from the delivery workstream. This integration empowers a dynamic roadmap view, aligning your plan with your team's capabilities. Iterations are fixed recurring time boxes for development that you can span between 1 and 4 weeks. If you're practicing Scrum, you may refer to these time boxes as sprints. Labels are a way for you to organize your workflows and categorize your work for projects and groups and associate issues with different initiatives. Boards are a visual listing of projects and issues that are useful for teams to manage your backlog of work, helping you prioritize items and move issues to the team or specific stages in a project. The roadmap is a visual representation of the various epics for your group in a nice, easy-to-read format, with the timeline showing the start and end dates of each epic and how everything is lining up based on the start and end dates for your epics. Finally, merge requests, which is the main tool for collaborating on development activities and code changes. The merge request captures the design and any implementation details of the code changes to the software itself, discussions within specific lines of code, or general discussions around the changes that are being made in the approval process. In other tools, this may be known as a pull request, but here in GitLab, it's called a merge request. Groups and projects allow you to model your organizational hierarchy, enabling advanced permissions management of teams and teams planning. Use groups and subgroups for strategic planning and configuration management that cascades into subgroups and projects lower in the hierarchy. For example, create your milestones, iterations, and labels in your higher level groups so they cascade down to all subgroups and projects. Issues and epics and lower level projects and subgroups roll up your value stream hierarchy. This allows you to get visibility across your entire portfolio from within higher level groups, while providing distinct locations lower in the hierarchy for individual teams to manage their work. With its comprehensive data model, GitLab enables team planning and portfolio management within a single tool. Use epics, which nest up to 7 levels to represent higher level planning objects. Issues and tasks allow you to decompose work for your DevSecOps teams. This structure allows you to decompose complex and long-running initiatives into incremental and iterative units of business value. Milestones and iterations give your organization flexibility in planning time boxes. If you're using SAFe or need longer range planning, milestones allow you to coordinate longer time horizons. Iterations represent shorter recurring time boxes like sprints and offer convenience features like automated creation and carryover of work items to the next iteration. Iterations are designed primarily for single teams, while milestones are intended to be used to monitor progress at the portfolio level. GitLab is not just an Agile planning tool, it's a complete DevSecOps platform. Issues can be linked to merge requests and provide traceability and auditability into the implementation of your plans. GitLab provides a single source of truth for the status of your work and creates an environment that fosters transparency and collaboration. GitLab allows tracking of cross-team work within groups and epics. We support cross-group parent-child and related unblocked relationships. It's possible to seamlessly track and control access to efforts that cross organizational boundaries. In GitLab, labels are a versatile tool for better organization and efficiency. They're more than just tags. They're the key to unlocking a number of possibilities in your workflows. Labels can be used to tailor views and boards, lists, roadmaps, and various analytics reports. You can use scope labels to define workflow states like ready for development or in review, making it crystal clear where each task stands. Labels also help you align your work with broader themes or initiatives such as user experience or performance optimization. Want to track the impact of your work on business drivers? You can easily track and share the impact work has on drivers like adoption, expansion, retention using labels. Imagine viewing a board organized by themes, instantly seeing the bigger picture of your project, or filtering your roadmap by business driver to pinpoint which work is advancing your key objectives. Now, let's move on to how GitLab enables you to perform team planning. We support a variety of methodologies, including Scrum and Kanban. So we talked about issues serve as detailed user stories describing the required functionality from an end user perspective. These user stories represent the specific needs and expectations of the users. GitLab is built with collaboration in mind. Threaded comments, merge request integration, and design management enable your team to share important context within a single tool. When it comes to execution, issues can be further broken down into discrete development tasks. These tasks are the individual steps and technical assignments necessary to fulfill a user story. When all these tasks are completed and shipped together, they collectively satisfy the user story, ensuring that the desired functionality is implemented successfully. Iterations are the heartbeat of our continuous development framework, offering fixed, time-boxed development sprints that can span between 1 and 4 weeks. These iterations provide a dynamic rhythm to your workflow, where individual user stories are assigned to iterations, ensuring they progress within well-defined development cycles. Iterations bring agility and focus to your day-to-day development efforts. With issue boards, you can create lists for each iteration to efficiently sequence work across your upcoming development cycles. You can also use issue boards to quickly show you the issues your team is working on, who is assigned to each, and where the issues are in your workflow. Boards can also be configured with label lists, providing the ability to visualize and manage issues as they progress through their delivery lifecycle. By scoping a board to your current iteration, you can efficiently conduct stand-ups and progress issues from one stage to the next by dragging and dropping the issue cards. From within an issue, you can quickly create a linked merge request, collaborate with your team asynchronously via threaded discussions, or review a detailed activity summary. Health status on issues enables your team to quickly convey whether the issue is on track, needs attention, or is at risk, which can be viewed in multiple places throughout your workflows, such as within epics, boards, and issue lists. You can also filter by health status to focus on the most important issues first, or those that are at highest risk. GitLab provides a robust set of tools to collaborate on design assets directly within issues. Every issue supports attaching multiple designs where you can comment directly on the image itself. All design assets are version controlled, so you can see what has changed from one version to another. We also maintain a Figma plugin that enables designers to effortlessly publish Figma frames directly to corresponding GitLab issues from within Figma. Every project and group can have a wiki to store long-term information and knowledge. Wikis are version controlled and have support for both Markdown and rich text editing. Wikis also support a number of diagramming languages such as Mermaid and Plant UML, along with the native UI for working with draw.io diagrams. To-dos provide a way to organize all of the items that you need to action upon right within GitLab. To-dos are automatically created for a number of reasons, such as being mentioned on an issue or epic, being assigned as a reviewer for an MR, or if a team member requests access to a specific project. You can also manually create a to-do for yourself directly within an issue, epic, or merge request. GitLab Triage is an open source gem that complements GitLab's existing functionality by providing a way to define automation policies to support triage and issue hygiene. It's extensible by design, allowing you to tailor your automation policies to your team's unique business processes. Now let's move on to talking about portfolio management.
Hey, thanks, Gabe. All right, so GitLab is a great tool for higher level planning and portfolio management activities as well. Let's dive in and see how we can help with your strategic planning. An epic represents a broad overall goal or area of functionality that is sometimes referred to as a theme or capability. The top level epic can represent a large strategic concept that encompasses a comprehensive set of business scope to be delivered. Epics can be viewed at the roadmaps and boards views to gain insights into status and aid with planning workflows. Users with an ultimate subscription can create nested sub-epics beneath this overarching goal. Sub-epics are useful to break the larger theme or capability into standalone deliverables, which individually provide value to users. You can leverage epic boards to visualize portfolio level work at a glance. You can organize your view according to your business need and utilize the board to transparently communicate project status. Common examples of epic board configurations include quarterly planning, now, next, later planning, projects ordered by business driver or objective, capabilities organized by themes, intake boards, and more. The sky is really the limit because our boards feature adapts to your label implementation methodology. Collaborate and coordinate portfolio level projects across teams and groups by linking epics. You can indicate interdependencies and easily bring visibility into those dependencies on boards and roadmaps with linked epics and issues. Communicating status and timeline of your delivery plan is possible with roadmaps. You can filter the roadmap to isolate different work streams using label and epic filters, and quickly identify project progress and blockers from the single time-based view. Milestones play a central role in the planning process, serving as time boxes for extended planning horizons, such as program increments or release planning. They go beyond simple containers for work and are designed to represent specific and strategic time-based goals. When assigning issues to milestones, epics inherit the milestone start and end dates from the delivery workstream, helping align your desired dates with your team's projected delivery dates and keeping your roadmap up to date in real time. By combining both milestones and iterations, you create a powerful synergy. Milestones help you plan major achievements over longer horizons, while iterations ensure a steady short-term cadence for efficient and focused development. The power of the single DevSecOps platform is that you can have end-to-end visibility into your organization's efficiency. With the value stream dashboard, you gain insights into how long each step of the process is taking and identify opportunities for improvement. Value stream analytics allows you to customize your stages based on predefined events. To make the configuration easier, GitLab provides a default list of stages that can be used as a template. With GitLab's OKR management, you can align your development plan with your organization's objectives to ensure teams are focused on the work that will deliver the most business value. Thanks so much for your time. We hope you found this walkthrough valuable. Please explore these topics and more in the tutorial, training, and documentation links in the description of this video.